Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So we are actually going to start wrapping the car today. Actually, I've got the paper right here off to my right. I'm just not showing you guys that, but just a warning. This video is going to be in black and white for the rest of the video. I will, however, reveal the wrap once we're done with this fender. I've already gotten some chances to practice, and went okay. I know as I'm starting this, I'm gonna make my mistakes here and there, but I'll get better as we go along. The other thing is too, I finally got that bolt, or 5 bolts. I didn't realize I ordered 5, but fine. So we will continue work on the block in the next video, which will be coming along soon. We're also going to put on the head and things like that. So that's where we're at. So I'm gonna actually time lapse this video, just because for the practice round, for what I did, it took a little bit. So I expect this to take a little bit as well. And then I'm also gonna do the other fender, but not in the video. So let's get started, and hopefully you guys enjoy. If any of you guys have wrapped cars before, any suggestions would be greatly appreciated. So let's get this started. By the way, we're going black and white now. All right, guys, so the camera didn't want to stay on, which I apologize for, but I finally did finish the fender. It took me 2 hours. Again, this is my first time. There's a couple of like little things here and there, like I've seen a couple of bubbles and things like that, but of course you guys want to see what I chose for a color. So, here you go. This is what I chose. You guys are probably like, wait, but that's silver. Obviously it's a darker shade, and then you've got this carbon fiber print. So when I bring the hood down, actually, which is, I didn't even realize until and look at it, but you see this, the weave actually works, is actually parallel to the weave on the carbon fiber, I mean on the, wow, I'm calling it carbon fiber already, on the wrap fender, so that came out pretty well. We got these corners here, which I feel like I did a pretty good job for the first time. And then along here, there's a couple bubbles here. I got to squeegee out a little bit, but fortunately they're on the inside here. And then there are, where is it? There's somewhere around here. There's like 3 tiny bubbles, like very tiny. And obviously as I get better, I'll learn to take care of those. And then right here, and if you guys didn't know before, I had shipped the paint along here, so this was all touch-up paint. So you've got touch-up paint, that's why this will not sit flat. And then you can't see it here, but there was paint here that had chipped. Well, some of it had actually lifted, but obviously you can see we're good here. So that's where we're at. Let me know what you guys think. Let me back up here just so you can see the difference. It's interesting because on camera it looks it looks unpainted, or a flat gray, and then obviously as you come up you've got your carbon fiber, and it's actually, there's a metallic to it too. So there you go. Now I got to do the other side before I go get Noah. So let me know what you guys think about my job, my wrap job. I'm going to try to complete the car maybe this weekend, but I wanted to at least get the fenders done and let you guys see that, and then go from there. If you guys are experienced at wrapping cars, please let me know your tips and tricks. It would be pretty awesome. I feel like I did a great job, but again, yeah, I'm sure with practice I'll get better. This is something that I want to do going forward, wrap other people's cars. And actually I've got some extra wrap, which one of my friends, he just picked up a Z that has a wrap on it, and the roof, on the roof, and the roof looks like it can be redone. So I'm going to talk to him about that as well. So let me know what you guys think about this video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Got some more videos coming out, obviously, the motor and things like that, and then wrapping the rest of this car, and you know, some more stuff. So until next time, like, share, comment, subscribe, and make no limitation your only limitation, because no limitation, this right here. But I'm loving it. I love it. Now I got to do the rest of the car. All right, peace.